All right, new this morning, Central Florida is host to a lot of different, very interesting animals. But what do you know about the animals that can be found around other parts of the world?
And how do you know if they're potentially dangerous? WESH's Alex Alisi is at the Orlando Science Center learning about some of the dangerous animals found in Central America in today's Science of It.
Hello everybody and welcome to the Science of It here at the Orlando Science Center. I'm here with Tori, and Tori, what are we talking about this week? Who do we have?
I have some very exciting, potentially dangerous animals to show you today.
All right.
Let's start with our first little tiny little friend here. This is a Gulldolphian dart frog. There are several species of dart frogs. This one in particular is endemic to Costa Rica, so you can find it in that habitat and nowhere else in the entire world.
Okay.
And what's really cool about these little fellas is out in nature, they are extremely poisonous. And they get that poison from the food items that they eat. They eat a lot of mites and a lot of ants that has a lot of alkaline, and that reacts in their body and makes them incredibly toxic. So they are called dart frogs because those indigenous people that lived in those areas, when they're hunting birds and monkeys, you know, they're very fast, they're far away. You need some type of substance or a really good weapon that can neutralize them quickly, and dart frogs were the best thing to use. So they use darts, arrows, rub that poison on there, and you can feed your whole tribe. So it's really cool. These little tiny frogs actually have a lifespan of up to 20 years.
Really?
And when you're out there hiking and exploring out in Costa Rica, you're going to find them in the leaf litter, the vegetation that's on the ground. They're going to lay their eggs in there too. And this dart frog's name is Mr. Pants because he's got little green pants on. And when they have babies, they actually carry the tadpoles from the water and the leaves over to the stream. So there's a high degree of parental care with the males and the females.
Oh, wow.
It's very cool, right? So you're probably wondering, is our dart frog poisonous?
Right, I am.
Ours actually is not, because we don't feed him mites or ants. So since he eats fruit flies and crickets, totally safe to touch our little friend here.
Okay.
That being said, still not a good idea to touch him constantly because they do have very sensitive skin. So I like to wear gloves whenever I hold them.
Okay.
So this is an animal, obviously, you cannot eat, right? That's one of the big differences between venom and poison. Poison you cannot have in your belly, you can't breathe around it either, and you definitely don't want it on your skin. Have you ever come in contact with poison ivy?
Yeah,
it gets itchy right on that contact on your skin, right? But on the other hand, when we're talking about a venomous animal, like this Mexican red-knee tarantula, these are actually edible.
Okay.
Yeah, even like our eastern diamondback rattlesnakes, you can eat their venom as well. So we have hydrochloric acid inside of our stomach that digests our food. It is strong enough to neutralize that rattlesnake venom, that tarantula venom too. So people actually do eat tarantulas all over the world. I heard it's delicious. Not for me, but I respect it. Food is food, you know. So it's totally safe to eat venomous animals. So we even have venomous lionfish here in our Florida reefs there down in the Keys in the Bahamas. Those are an invasive species. They are not supposed to be here. So a lot of people think invasive species, venomous animal. There's no way that we can really help that, but you can actually eat venomous animals. You can eat lionfish totally safe. The flesh, which is like most of the part that most people eat on fish, is totally safe to eat. You just take out that little venom gland, clip off the fins, and you are good to go. And like I said, you can even eat the venom and the fins if you wanted to. FWC has a really great workshop on how to like break down and prepare lionfish, but even easier, the next time you're at Publix or Whole Foods, you can actually ask for lionfish. And that's a great way to help our coral reefs because they are eating everything and nothing eats them.
Good to know. So now if you come across a venomous or a poisonous animal and you get in contact with it, what should you do? Because I don't think many people know what they're supposed to do.
You should call poison control.
Poison control.
And that's even if you get accidentally bit by a venomous snake, you're going to want to call poison control. Stay calm, take off your jewelry, get to the hospital right away. So you're probably wondering, an animal like this I'm holding like very close to my bare hands, but the venom is very similar to a bee sting. So not going to cause me any type of great harm. If I just take some Benadryl, have some ice on my hand, I'll be totally fine. However, our venomous spiders that we have here in Florida, like the brown recluse or the black widow, you get bit by one of those guys, you're going to want to call poison control.
Gotcha. Okay. And if people want to find out more information about when they can see some of these animals or where they can go for that, what can they do?
You're definitely going to want to visit our website, which is osc.org. We also have our Meet a Snake program that happens at 11:30 on level 4. And we also have our Life with Animals showcase, which happens at 1:10 every single day on level 4 as well.
Perfect. All right, Tori, thank you so much for introducing us to these animals, and thank you for joining us here on the Science of It.
And if you'd like to see what other cool stuff is happening at the Orlando Science Center, it's open every day except Wednesdays from 10 until 5.